As part of a new plan cleared on Friday, Air India's 6 Airbus A320 airlines will be modified, integrated with sensors and delivers to the Indian Air Force as a new airborne early warning and control aircraft. Defence Ministry on Friday approved Rs 10,500 crore program in which India's DRDO will integrate radars and sensors on 6 Airbus A320 commercial airlines from national carrier Air India's current fleet. The 6 aircraft are to be sent to France, where they will be refurbished and modified to Indian Air Force. DRDO specifications, sources said. If plans remain on track, the 6 aircraft will join the IAF to add AEW muscle to the pair of Embraer, DRDO, AEW and C-Nitro jets in service and 3 older Falcon AWACS jets. It is not clear if this new move, revealed in Indian press on Wednesday, supplements earlier plans by the DRDO to deliver an Airbus A330-based AWACS system, though the two systems are significantly different in capability and scope. The A320-based AEW and C platform will support a derivative of the dorsal antenna system fitted on the Nitro jets, and not likely a radome solution as has been speculated since the news broke Wednesday. This, however, is still unclear. In the words of a scientist familiar with the program, it will involve trying past experience with additional features. In 2015, the Indian MOD cleared Rs 5,113 crore program to build an Airbus A330-based AWACS system. While work on the dorsal radome has made progress at the DRDO Center for Airborne Systems in Bangalore, a contract for the aircraft platforms has remained elusive 5 years after the DRDO was cleared to begin procurement procedures. The indigenous AWACS program itself has had an odd journey, with the IAF in 2018 asking the DRDO to ensure the AWACS platform it delivers can also double as a mid-air refueling tanker. The request was part of the frustrations the IAF was experiencing in trying to nail down a tanker purchase after a series of contest aborts.
इस वक्त हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारी प्राइवेट इंडस्ट्री भी बहुत प्रोत्साहित है। उनको आपका सहयोग चाहिए। जिस प्रकार से आप काम करते आए हैं, अगर इसी तेजी से आप आने वाले सालों में काम करते रहेंगे तो मैं यकीन के साथ कह सकता हूं कि बहुत शीघ्र हम जो अगला युद्ध लड़ने जा रहे हैं, या अगर हमारे को युद्ध की चुनौती का सामना करना पड़ता है, तो हम आत्मनिर्भर भारत के तहत हिंदुस्तान में बनाए गए हथियार और असला से लड़कर विजयी निकलकर उभरेंगे। जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, कल ही हमारी डिफेंस एक्विजिशन काउंसिल की मीटिंग हुई थी, जिसमें तकरीबन 30,000 करोड़ के हथियार और अन्य जो एमुनिशन इक्विपमेंट उनकी स्वीकृति माननीय रक्षा मंत्री ने दी है। इसमें से 90% जो इक्विपमेंट और हथियार जो बनाए जाएंगे वो सब मेक इन इंडिया भारत में ही बनाए जाएंगे, और इन सब में डीआरडीओ का महत्वपूर्ण योगदान रहेगा।
न्यूज़ डेस्क कौमुदी इंग्लिश।